Hello Reserve Club and welcome to our tutorial on our new online ordering mobile app. The first step, you will want to make sure that you have logged into your Fortees account on a computer or a laptop to get your credentials. And then your second step, you're going to want to download the app if you don't already have it. For those of you who use the Fortees Club Central app to make your tee times and court reservations, this should be nothing new to y'all, but if you are new to the app, make sure you go to your app store. Here I have an iPhone, so it's going to be that icon there. If you have an Android or a Google phone, you'll just go to the Google Play Store. And you're going to search for Club Central. You can just click search. And you're going to want to download this top option here. The gray icon with the blue Fortees symbol. And I've already got that downloaded. So I'm just going to click on open to open up my app. From there, you will want to, if you're new to this app, you'll want to enter your credentials that you've gained from logging in on a desktop. There it will provide you with your special username and password. When you create these are specific to your device, so you won't have to log in and out each time. So once you enter that, you'll come to a screen that looks like this. For those of you who make tee times or court reservations, obviously you use this little Fortees button. But now you should see to the left of the Fortees icon this ordering button. So if you click there, we'll let it load for a moment, you're going to get this screen. In the top you have a lunch section, dinner, bar, chicken dinner, and fish Friday. And these might change weekly or daily, so just always keep up with us here. But I'm going to demo to start a lunch order. So here I'm going to click on lunch. And you notice that you get this drop down of a menu with lots of different items. So let's go to handhelds to start. Here you get our different handheld options, little appetizers or sandwiches. So for this demo, I'm going to order a hot dog. So I'm just going to click this plus sign to add a quantity of 1 hot dog. And I'm going to say that I would like ketchup and mustard on that hot dog. At the top under our description, you can see it says choice of side. So it's also going to require me to pick one of these options below to choose my side. So let's say I would like onion rings. You have a little comment box below if you have any special requests or allergies or other things you would like our staff or culinary team to know. You can type that in here. Let's just say napkins, please. That way our staff will know to include napkins with your order. And you just click add to order. So now you can see in my cart below, you can see a little red 1, the bottom left corner of my screen. That means I have added that hot dog to my cart. So from here I can check out by clicking on the cart button, or I can continue to order more items. So for this example, I'm going to continue to order. So I already have my hot dog. Let's see what items are off the grill. So we've got some burgers. I really like the chicken parm melt, so I'm going to go ahead and order that. I'm going to do quantity 1. And I'm going to do French fries with this order. And I don't have any comments, so I'm just going to add that to my order. And let's say I just want an extra side of French fries. If I go to add a side, quantity 1, I can actually do multiple. So if I want 2 sides, you just simply use this plus and minus button here to let us know how many you'd like. Let's say I would like 1 extra side of French fries in addition to the ones that come with my order. I would just click there and add to order. Each time you add something to your order, you can track it down below in the left corner. So now you can see I have 3 items in my cart. That was the hot dog, the chicken parm melt, and then that extra side of fries I just added. From here on the lunch menu, you can also add any beverages you would like to include with that order. If I would like to have a beer with my lunch, I could again just use this plus button to add a can of beer. And here I have all of our beer choices that are available at this time. Weekly, these may change. We might add or remove items, so always, keep up to date with us. Stay up to date with your emails, check our website, and of course visit our app often. For this demo, I'm going to add a Mich Ultra, which you can see is a $3 charge, and then this one is just an extra 25 cents, but I would still like to have that. So I'm going to click there and add to my order. Again, that adds to my cart below for my final order. Let's see, if I wanted anything else, our mason jar cocktails are pretty popular, so I could go down, add one of our cocktail options. Here you can see all of the fun ones we've created for you. The small mason jars is essentially 2 drinks, 12-ounce jar. So if I would like one of those, let's say I would like a Bloody Mary mason jar, add that to my order, and that's in my cart now as well. So now I'm going to go to my cart and review everything. So here we've got my cocktail, my beer, my hot dog, chicken parm, and my extra side of fries. Of course, there are no gratuities involved, so we've just got our total there with the sales tax. And from here I can edit anything. So say I change my mind about that extra side of fries, I can click on this trash can button and it will ask me if I'd like to remove it, and we'll say yes. It updates my cart right away. And now my total is $35.70. So we're going to go to checkout. The first question, it's going to ask you what type of order. So as you may know, we are offering curbside pickup or delivery at this time, as well as on-course delivery if you are playing on one of our golf courses. So let's say I would like home delivery. It's a rainy day, I would like to have this delivered to my house. It's immediately going to ask you the address that you would like to have it delivered to. So I have not typed one in yet before, so I'm going to click on add address. Address nickname, we'll just say this is my house. Street required. I'm going to type in my street name here. And the city and the state. Hopefully everyone is in South Carolina. And zip code, and click done. Alright, so there's my address. Then it's going to ask when would I like this order. I can choose now or later. So this is for lunch, but it's a little late right now. So let's just say I would like this at 5:40. I would just go ahead and select my time here, 5:40. Any additional instructions or comments? Let's just say, probably wouldn't make sense for this order, but let's just say dairy allergy for the sake of the demo. That way, when our staff receives your order and they see that note, they'll make sure to not include any ingredients that would affect your dairy allergy, or we might give you a call to just let you know, maybe that item isn't fit for your food preference, so we'll just have to call you and maybe substitute out something else. But any notes here will go directly to our staff, so we can make sure to accommodate you as best as possible. Then we've got our preferred phone number. If you've already been using the app, you should have your phone number in your account, so it might automatically populate. You can always update that here, of course, but we're not going to for now. And then this is asking for your home address, which we already entered, but we will just type some words in there and click done. And then you're going to click on that red place order button right at the bottom. So let's say instead of home delivery, we want to do pickup. You'll notice the questions here are a little bit different. So let's say we also want this order later, and we'll say 5:40. Again, we've got our comments box, our phone number. This one's going to ask you the make and color of your vehicle, so that way we can bring it out to you as quickly as possible. So we're going to say black Lexus, done, and place order. Simple as that. I'm not going to place this order so I don't confuse Chef Frankie, but it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. If you ever have any questions or difficulty ordering from our app, you can just simply click the call button on the top right corner, and that will give you the option to call our concierge line, who will be able to assist you. After you've ordered a few times, you can see we have an option up top that says My Favorite Dishes. I haven't added anything yet, but if I were to want to, I could make this hot dog option a favorite of mine and click this little heart. And then later, when I go to My Favorite Dishes, it will be there, and it's easy to continue to add and reorder. You can also view your previous orders. So here's a couple orders that have already been placed. It gives you the estimated time of either delivery or pickup availability. It tells you when you placed that order, how many items you've ordered, and you can always view it for a little bit more detail. And you can actually reorder exactly as you did the first time. So if everything remains the same, you can just go ahead and view and reorder, and we'll do everything exactly the same as the first time. So this completes our tutorial of the new Reserve Club ordering app via Forties. As you can see, we have a lot of different options here. So again, keep up with us online, on the app, on the website, and social media to know what's going on and what menu items are available to you. We look forward to receiving your mobile orders and are here to help along the way. Please give us a call if there's anything we can do to assist.